Hello everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group, and I'm in St. Cloud. This is a one-story home with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Stay tuned and I will give you a tour. This St. Cloud community has 9 different floor plans to choose from. This floor plan starts at a base price of $419,950. You have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,890 square feet of living space. There's a bedroom at the front of the home. It's a nice cool day, so they have the windows open. You have a walk-in closet. Additional storage over here, and as you come down the foyer, it opens up to your beautiful kitchen where you have a nice big island with plenty of room for bar stools, the pendant lights hanging up above. Plenty of space for your food in the pantry, the tiled backsplash, and your dining area. There's about 4 different floor plans to choose from if you're looking for a one-story home. This is the laundry room just off the garage, which is currently being used as an office space, being that this is a model home. You have a full-size bathroom with a double vanity. Over here is your toilet. And then you have both your shower and tub. We'll now have a look at the other 2 bedrooms. This isn't far from Lake Nona, so it's a very desirable area in St. Cloud. You're less than 30 minutes away. And there's plenty of shopping and dining and entertainment nearby. We come into your 3rd bedroom. And then last but not least, I'll take you over to your primary bedroom suite. We come through your living room. You have the nice big open floor plan. Beautiful look outside to your backyard where you have your screened-in covered lanai. And then on the opposite side of the home, you have your bedroom. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more video tours like these. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, give me a call, send me a text. If you're interested in inventory homes, they do have some in the process of being built. So reach out to me and I'll provide you more information. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.